Hello and welcome. Today, we will explore one of the most fascinating episodes in the history of the Eastern Roman Empire, the Roman Reconquest led by Emperor Justinian in the 6th century after Jesus Christ. His dream? To restore the greatness of Rome and reclaim the lost territories of the West. Justinian was crowned emperor in the year 527 after Jesus Christ. He quickly imposed his vision of a powerful and centralized empire, faithful to Roman traditions. He was supported by his wife, Empress Theodora, an influential woman who played a key role in his reign. From the beginning, Justinian implemented major administrative and legal reforms. He ordered the creation of the Corpus Juris Civilis, a collection of laws that would later become the foundation of legal systems in many European countries. But his ambitions did not stop at internal policies. He wanted to restore the Roman Empire and reclaim the territories lost to the barbarian kingdoms. To carry out his military campaigns, Justinian relied on a talented general, Belisarius. In the year 533 after Jesus Christ, Belisarius launched an expedition against the Vandal kingdom in North Africa. In just a few months, Carthage was recaptured and the Vandal kingdom disappeared. Then, in the year 535 after Jesus Christ, Justinian turned his attention to Italy, which was occupied by the Ostrogoths. The war was long and difficult. Rome changed hands several times, and the fighting devastated the Italian peninsula. Finally, after nearly 20 years of struggle, the Byzantines managed to recapture Italy in the year 553 after Jesus Christ. At the same time, the empire also regained part of Spain from the Visigoths, strengthening Byzantine control over the western Mediterranean. Despite these victories, the Reconquest came at a high cost. Italy was devastated by war, and the plague of the year 541 significantly weakened the empire. Furthermore, the newly conquered territories were difficult to defend against invasions and revolts. After Justinian's death in the year 565 after Jesus Christ, his successors struggled to maintain control over these lands. Gradually, the Lombards invaded Italy, and the Byzantines lost ground. Justinian's dream crumbled, but his legacy remained. Justinian did not succeed in permanently restoring the Roman Empire, but his reign left a lasting mark on history through his ambition and reforms. His Corpus Juris Civilis would influence Western law for centuries to come. Thank you for listening to this episode. If you would like to discover more key moments in the history of ancient Rome, subscribe to the channel. See you soon for another journey into the past.